Welcome, today in front of me OPPO A94, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So let's just first open the settings and then tap on the sounds and vibration. Now here you can see ringtone volume panel, and just to change your device ringtone, you should swipe the dot to the left or to the right side with your finger. Also, we have the second way how we can do that. Just first be sure that in volume button function you have selected ringtone volume, and after that, by press up or down volume button, you can also change your device ringtone volume. And we can do it by the third way, just by swipe to the up or to the down this volume panel with our finger, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.